Morovan Polygel Nail Kit. Morovan Polygel Nail Extension Set comes with 12 colors poly nail extension gels in different colors. This polygel kits can be used for nail extensions, bonded diamonds, fun nail art designs. You can DIY yourself in a variety of nail colors and styles. 12 polygel color packs. The modern woman salon choice. Polygel can highlight your unique beauty in any occasion. Long-lasting polygel kits. Use the Morovan 12-color polygel nail kits to achieve the lasting polygel nail kits effects. If used correctly, you can get polygel nail extension set that stays on your nails for more than 28 days. So to keep builder nail gel on your fingers for longer, polish your nails carefully before using poly nail gel kit. Please do the nail prep carefully, filing, buffering, and cleaning, with the proper operation our poly extension gel nail kit. Easy to use polygel nail kits, high gloss and wear resistant polygel kits can make you glitter in any occasion. Morovan Poly Extension Gel Nail Kits with Poly Nail Gel Kits make your nails stronger than other brands of polygel nail color packs. The easy-to-apply polygel nail color packs is friendly to nail lovers and professional manicurists alike. Multi-purpose polygel nail kit starter kit functions. High-quality poly nail gel kits are multifunctional. You can use poly nail gel kit for polygel nail kit nail extension, poly nail gel kit engraving, nail art with diamonds, nail art with glitter and other artistic creations make you stand out from the crowd by this polygel nail kits for beginners. Morovan Polygel Nail Kit Starter Kit for beginners. No matter what the event was an excellent showing. Best service for polygel nail kits. All of poly nail gel kit supplies have been checked before shipping. If you have any questions about polygel nail color packs, please feel free to contact us to deal with the problem of polygel nail kit starter kits. We offer the best service for poly nail gel kit for beginners with everything. Enjoy your shopping of this polygel kits. Top reviews from the United States. Great for those experimenting. The packaging was very nice. The box it came in was very sturdy and works easily as storage for later, compared to some brands that just throw it into a flimsy mailer. Each individual bottle was in its own plastic packaging. I think it would be nice to see recyclable packaging for the individuals, but I understand that it's in case the bottle explodes.